Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the repair of the Asus ROG G513, you'll need a few essential tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a spudger, tweezers, and an anti-static wrist strap. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small components during the process. Start by turning off the laptop and unplugging it from any power source. Remove the battery if accessible. This ensures safety while working on sensitive electronic components. Next, locate the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew them and keep them in a safe place. Remember, these screws can be of different lengths, so organizing them is crucial. Once the screws are removed, use a spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Take your time and be cautious not to damage any clips. After removing the back panel, you should have access to the internal components of the laptop. Now, let's focus on cleaning the internals. Use compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and motherboard. This not only improves performance but also prevents overheating. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can assess the condition of your laptop and advise you on the best course of action. Next, you'll want to disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. This step is critical to avoid short circuits during the repair. Once disconnected, locate the screws holding the motherboard in place. Remove these screws and gently lift the motherboard from its compartment. Be mindful of any attached cables or connectors while doing this. If you need to replace the screen, carefully detach the screen connectors from the motherboard. Using your tweezers can be helpful for this delicate task. Remove the screws securing the screen to the chassis. After removing these, carefully lift the old screen out. When installing the new screen, align it properly with the connectors and secure it with screws. Reconnect the screen connectors to the motherboard, ensuring they are firmly in place. If you don't have the tools or confidence to do this, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service allows you to avoid the hassle of traveling and waiting for repairs. Reinstall the motherboard by carefully placing it back in its compartment and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Reconnect the battery and any other cables that were detached during the process. Before reassembling the back panel, it's a good idea to test the laptop to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Power it on and check if the new screen displays properly. If everything looks good, proceed to close the back panel by aligning it and pressing down until it clicks into place. Finally, screw the back panel back on, making sure to replace each screw in its original position. Remember, before repair is an essential part of our service, ensuring you know the costs up front before any work begins. In conclusion, repairing your Asus ROG G513 can be a straightforward process with the right tools and guidance. Whether you choose to tackle it yourself or utilize our professional services, we are here to help you every step of the way. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.